India on Friday paid tribute to Dr. Manmohan Singh as the country mourned the loss of the former Prime Minister who passed away on Thursday night due to age-related illness. Described as a reluctant king during his first stint as Prime Minister, the soft-spoken leader breathed his last at the age of 92 at AIIMS, New Delhi. Leaders from across the political spectrum, including the President and the Prime Minister, paid heartfelt tributes, highlighting his immense contributions to the nation. Tributes also poured in from world leaders who remember Dr. Singh for his efforts in improving international relations. As a mark of respect, the Indian government has announced a 7-day period of national mourning, during which the national flag will fly at half-mast across the country. The last rites of the former Prime Minister are scheduled for Saturday with full state honours.
डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी के निधन ने हम सभी के हृदय को गहरी पीड़ा पहुंचाई है। उनका जाना एक राष्ट्र के रूप में भी हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी क्षति है। विभाजन के उस दौर में बहुत कुछ खोकर भारत आना और यहां जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में उपलब्धियां हासिल करना ये सामान्य बात नहीं है।
तो वो तो बहुत नफीस आदमी हैं और लाला के बहुत पॉलिटिकल लीडर, फेमस प्राइम मिनिस्टर रहे, टैक्सेशन में उन्होंने बड़ा काम किया। लेकिन आई एम वेरी सॉरी टू नो दैट ही पास्ड अवे एंड आई कुड नॉट मीट हिम।
Dr. Singh, the first Sikh to hold the top office, served as Prime Minister from 2004 to 2014, achieving the rare distinction of completing 2 terms. He is credited with steering India to unprecedented economic growth and lifting hundreds of millions out of poverty. An accomplished economist, Dr. Manmohan Singh also served as the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India from 1982 to 1985. As Finance Minister in P.V. Narasimha Rao's government, he spearheaded India's landmark economic liberalization in 1991. These reforms opened the Indian economy to foreign investors, increased foreign direct investment and reduced government control, significantly contributing to the nation's economic growth.